Having been to Dhaka several times, I haven't had the chance to explore the historical old part of the city. I was invited by a friend I met on social media who showed me around this part of the city located on the banks of the Buriganga river. I was fascinated by the hustle and bustle of this vibrant area, also known as Puran Dhaka. Meet AZIM RANA. He's a friend I met on social media and he's going to show me around this part of Dhaka. So guys, I'm really looking forward to going to OLD Dhaka. I've never been to OLD Dhaka in my life and this is the first time I'm going there, and I'm really looking forward to the foodies over there. I've always seen them on YouTube and TV. The street food looks amazing, and apparently it's one of the largest street food havens in the whole world, believe it or not. So there's other places I'm going to visit over there. I'm going to go to Ahsan Manzil and a few other places. Stay tuned till the end. I hope to show you some good footage from OLD Dhaka. So we took an Uber from Gulshan. So friends, you will hardly see Dhaka like this. It's never empty like this. This is a really unusual sighting of Dhaka, because this is what the traffic of Dhaka really looks like. It's quite early in the morning right now. It's about 7:45 now, and the roads are quite empty in Dhaka city, and to be honest, it's Saturday, so it's a weekend and people aren't working today, so that's why it's quiet. I've got my friend here, AZIM RANA, and we're gonna go grab an Uber. And that's my Uber there. Puran Dhaka. So we're on our Uber right now, and we're gonna head towards this very old place called Shakhari Bazar, and that's it's actually basically Puran Dhaka, and that's where the river is, Buriganga. Yeah. That's where the Buriganga river is, and we're gonna go to the port there as well. We've just arrived at this road called Johnson Road, and we're gonna walk to Shakhari Bazar, where we're gonna get our breakfast. And this Uber ride only took us 20 minutes, believe it or not, 20 minutes from Gulshan. Normally it takes about 2.5 hours in the traffic, but we just beat the traffic because it's Saturday and it's public holiday tomorrow as well. In this day and age, you don't see the old heritage buildings that were built by the Mughals and the British Empire during the 16th and the 19th century. Unfortunately, these were either knocked down or engulfed by high-rise buildings like these ones. But the government recently announced that they want to keep part of this area as a heritage site, and this place is called Shakhari Bazar. This whole area, Shakhari Bazar, is predominantly a Hindu area, and just behind me is a Hindu temple. It's called Sri Sri Shroni Devar Mandir, and you can see behind me. So basically, people of all religions in this part of Dhaka live in harmony with one another, and they celebrate a wide range of festivals, for example Shakrain, Halkata and Pohela Falgun. So traditionally this place has been the place where Hindus were buying all the stuff that was necessary for Hindu offerings in the temples, such as flowers and fruits, coconuts and bananas. This is where they used to buy all these stuff, and they still do. It's time for breakfast now, and I chose this place behind me. It's one of the local restaurants. We're going to have simple paratha and eggs. So guys, this isn't your fancy restaurant or anything. This is just a local restaurant here in the local streets, and if you want to try the real taste of Bangla, then this is where you need to come. And we're just going to get our simple paratha and eggs for our breakfast, and we're going to get some tea as well. So this is traditional paratha. Just like you guys gonna tap the bell button on my YouTube channel, I'm gonna tap the bell button here on the one. So this was Rokka Kali Mandir, and there's loads of mandirs here. Like I said, this is a Hindu area.
ইসলামপুর
ইসলামপুর আচ্ছা এখন আমরা কোথায় যাব
আমরা যাব হচ্ছে আহসান মঞ্জিল
Ahsan Manzil, okay. We are heading towards Ahsan Manzil, which is a very interesting historical architecture of Old Dhaka. But I'm gonna be making another vlog out of this, so do stay tuned for the next one. So here in Puran Dhaka, there's so many ghats here, and I just got confused which ghat I'm in. Just so you know, ghat means port in English, and this is what the ports look like from the sky. এটা কি মামা এটা কোন জায়গায়
এটা চলো পটুয়াখালী ঘাট এটা পটুয়াখালী গলাচিবা
পটুয়াখালী ঘাট আর সদরঘাট কোনটা
ওয়াজঘাট এটা ওয়াজঘাট সদরঘাট এটা
Okay, so Sadarghat is over there, and this is
পটুয়াখালী
This is Patuakhali Ghat. ধন্যবাদ. This is how you get information from people. You don't need to research anything here. People will tell you. So this is Patuakhali Ghat, and we're gonna jump on a boat here. We're gonna go on the top floor, on the terrace, to get the views of the river, and also see if I can sneakily fly my drone from there. Hey, launcher naam ki?
এটা হচ্ছে সুন্দরবন 9
So this is Sundarban 9. So this is the decking area, and this is Buriganga river. I'm gonna go on top, on the terrace. It's so sunny and bright today. It's like 35 degrees and it's already humid, and I'm sweating. And I'm gonna climb on top. It's gonna be a bit dangerous for me. Oops, the daisy. Ita dolo to? Ita dolo to? What an amazing view behind me. Those little boats you see. People cross from one side to the other side of the river. And that's how they cross here. This is only for people who do business here, and the street hawkers, and also the poor people. It's too hot today, it's too sunny, and I'm already exhausted. It's 9:30, and imagine at 12 o'clock what it's going to be like. I'll be roasting. It's really impossible to fly a drone here in Old Dhaka. There's nowhere, there's no flat surface, no space. Everywhere you go is full of crowd. So we managed to jump on this boat, on top of this boat, you see, and there's no one other than these guys here who are very friendly. I hope you guys enjoyed the drone shot. That was a very rare. It's almost impossible to get a drone up here in the sky in Dhaka. But we managed it by sneaking on a boat and just flying it from there. Dhaka city is full of traffic jam, and we're already caught up in a traffic jam here. It's a rickshaw jam. This is Lal Kuti Ghat, and behind me you can see these little boats, and people travel from the other side of Dhaka, such as Keraniganj, and they all come to Dhaka on these boats. The boat costs about 5 to 10 taka, I think. And also a lot of business people come as well to do business here in Puran Dhaka. So yeah, this is it. This is Buriganga river, and the view is absolutely amazing. The only problem is the water stinks. It's like rainwater. It's polluted. It's full of chemicals, and it's got a lot of garbage in it as well.
কেরানীগঞ্জের থেকে আইছি ছাতে কিনতে।
This guy, he just travelled from the other side. He's from Keraniganj, and he comes here every single day to buy umbrellas. He's got a business there, so he's going to buy an umbrella and he's going to take it back to his shop. This place attracts a lot of tourists here, and you see a lot of tourists in this area, so people are actually used to seeing people walking and talking on the camera like me. It's not abnormal to do that here. Everyone's doing it right now. I really can't cope with the heat anymore. It's 12 o'clock and the sun's right above my head, and it's very humid and it's horrible right now. I'm sweaty and I'm sticky, and so I'm gonna head back towards Gulshan to get some lunch. I was gonna get some street food here, but I don't think it's gonna happen. I just can't take it anymore. But if you guys do come here, make sure you come around just after 4 p.m. or just before sunset. It's really nice, and that's when all the street food markets come out. But we had the chance to get some good views of Ahsan Manzil and the river area. Also got some good drone footage. I hope you guys liked watching this video, and if you did, just give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see in my next videos. I'll be back with more videos. Till then, see you soon, and thank you for watching.